Okay, this video is going to show how to cut two holes and then get our drawing ready for Aspire, and then I'll show another video that'll keep going here. So I'm on this part of the tutorial, so handle holds. So if you need more information, you can always go follow this. There's menu pictures and everything like that, but I know the video works pretty well. So we're just going to make these two holes. So I'm going to start a sketch on the top of my ice scraper, and I'm going to project the geometry. So project geometry will actually copy geometry from other parts, or from other extrusions. So I'm going to click here, and that got my center point. I'm going to go up here to my third circle, and that makes center point 2. Then I'm going to grab my circle tool. I'm going to do 0.26 and 0.26. That's it. So I finish sketch and extrude. So now I can do this and cut, and it's been cut through. And that will be our mounting holes for our handles that we'll create. So now what are we going to do? I'm going to save this. So save it as something, with your initials in it or something, so you know what it is. Okay, and click save. Then we're going to go here, we're going to go to File, New, and I'm going to choose a standard.dwg. Okay, now when we send this to Aspire, it has to be a certain way. So we have to get rid of some stuff on this drawing sheet. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to right click and I'm going to delete ANSI large and delete default border. So it's just a plain sheet of paper. I'm going to do File. I'm going to choose Edit Sheet, Custom Size. I'm going to call this 8 by 4 because that's the size of our material. And I'm going to choose Portrait and then click OK. And now our drawing file got real different. The proportions are different. So now I'm going to put my ice scraper in. So I'm going to choose Base. And if you have your scraper open, it'll automatically choose it. If not, you got to go to this folder. You click on this and find your scraper, the one that you saved, and click Open. And then we want a scale of 1. And then we'll click OK. And somehow this ended up just lining up perfectly, but that's what you want. You want it filling the whole page. And then in order to send this to Aspire, we need a PDF. So what you'll do is go to File, Export, PDF. We'll call this same name if you want, but it'll be, it'll be a PDF instead of an IPT. So you click Save, and then that file is ready to go to Aspire. So once it's a PDF, we are going to change this, so you need to make sure you do this before we move on. All right, that's